Howdy folks, Skypilot here, welcome to my channel of course. Well, today's the day. I have the latest and greatest Tyro 109 here, which sports the fantastic RacerStar 2550 Air C motors. This is the RacerStar edition of course. Check out my last video up on the screen there of its unboxing and build. This one of course is identical to the fabulous 109 that's been out for sale for some number of months now. However, it does come with the upgraded RacerStar Air C 2550 kV. I think this thing is going to rip. So it's a nice day today, not much wind. In fact, there's hardly any. This is going to be my maiden flight. I have powered up this unit since I have built it. However, I've never actually flown it, so fingers crossed everything is going to go well. We'll soon find out. TBS Crossfire, stock standard VTX antenna, pumping out 600 milliwatts. These are the supplied 5040 props as well, so I'm going to see how it flies with everything out of the box as if you were going to buy this yourself. However, of course, I am going to put on my Azure Race props and chuck a GPS onto this and see how fast this 109 goes compared to the factory 109. And I've just done a speed run of that factory 109 with the Azure Race props, and yeah, you'll have to have a look at that video as well up on the screen there and see how fast that thing goes. So hopefully these motors are going to push it a little bit quicker again, so that'll be really good to see. I've got a Dynegy 1500 130C 4S on the basement here. Let's check out that flight time and let's see how this thing cruises with those Air C RacerStar make motors. I think she's going to be smooth as butter. Thumbs up guys, drop me a comment of course. Let's take it up in the sky and we'll return for some line of sight and a quick yarn at the end. Okay, let's go. Fingers crossed, main flight 109 RacerStar edition. Just as I take off with a little bit of wind, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have a quick fly around here and make sure nothing goes pop or kabang or grind before I take it further. Like I said guys, I've just got a VTX antenna, just a double lollipop antenna here. I don't have my TBS patch antenna, got a Fox ear patch, so I won't push it for distance today. I just want to see how well this thing flies, and it's actually flying really smoothly guys. Wow, okay. Okay, let's do a east-west speed run. Okay. Oh yes, okay. Just as I suspected, this thing absolutely screams. Flies really nicely folks, really nicely. Just going to take it down here. Oh, it's going on with our VTX. It's going on there, a little bit of a break up there. Better keep an eye on that, make sure it's nothing that I have done incorrectly. Really nice to fly. I know I'm not saying too much, guys. I'm just having a good feel of these RacerStar motors. They're definitely a heck of a lot smoother than your standard Eachine motors. Really, really nice, guys. That's one way to flatten the battery. It's at 5-minute flight time so far with the 1500. Let's just go for a height run quickly, which is always really handy. Probably got a little bit high. I don't have a GPS on, so not too sure how high we are, but I'm fairly low on power now. Oh, there's someone on the road. Better stay away from him. Unfortunately, in my haste to get it out here, I haven't put the battery meter on the screen, so it could be a bit of a problem. So I may need to cut this short after about 6 minutes. I think that's probably going to be it. These motors, guys, are absolutely fantastic. I'm going to bring it home because I think we're getting fairly low on power now. I thought these would be really smooth, these motors, and yeah, I was right. They are absolutely fantastic. Really, really nice to fly, guys. And I can hear that battery's just about depleted, so let's bring it home. I thought this would be a good fly, guys, and I was right. That was a really, really nice, smooth flight, and this thing really rocks. Didn't push it too much. Like I said, I forgot to put my on-screen display voltage on. Whoops. Anyway, it'll be up there for the next flight. I'm going to chuck on a GPS, put on those Azure props, which are going to make this thing go even faster. Again, the tri-bladers, they tend to be a bit quicker than the quad blades, so that's going to be really, really interesting to see. Let us know your thoughts, guys. Good to see you folks. The Tyro 109 RacerStar edition, links down below. Absolute cracker, really easy to put together, hell of a lot of fun. I'm going to have another fly. Thanks for stopping by, much appreciated. I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.